How to integrate Monday.com with Mailchimp. Hey everyone, and welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I will show you step by step what you are required to do in order to integrate Mailchimp with Monday.com. So obviously, the first step is having both a Monday.com account and obviously a Mailchimp account. So yeah, just go ahead and make sure that you have both accounts ready to go and you have the login information for both. So once that's done, we can just go ahead and skip MailChimp for the time being and just go back to Monday.com. So we basically just want to work things on Monday. So what do we need to do is just go ahead and open up any project that you have, and then you would want to just click on the integrate button right on top of your tasks and tables and all of those things. You will find integrate, automate, and so on. You want to basically just click on integrate. From here, you will find all these integrations that you can actually go through. So you have Asana, LinkedIn, and all of those things. But obviously, we are just focused on MailChimp. So you can just go ahead and select MailChimp. Now, here are going to be the integrations that you can use with MailChimp. These automations right here. 4 different ones for the time being. So the first one is when an email is added to this column, create a contact in this list. So you can use this one, or sometime after a campaign was sent to this list, create an item with statistics in this group. Or when a campaign is sent to this list, create an item in this group. Or even when a contact is subscribed to this list, create an item in this group. Now, all of these are going to be dependent on how you actually want to use them. If there's nothing here that you actually want to use, then there is no need for you to connect MailChimp. It's as simple as that. But you can just go ahead and select whichever one suits you best and you actually want to use. I would just use this one as an example because I don't really need any of them. I just want to show you how to do so. Click on use template on the template that you want, and then you would want to basically click on connect. And then from here, basically they're going to ask you to log in to your MailChimp account. I'm just going to go ahead and do that. Like I said, you will need to have your username and password ready for your MailChimp account, and then you would want to basically just grant them access to, be able to automate all of these things. Once you click on allow, it's just going to basically open up the automation here for us, where we can just go ahead and adjust a few things in it. So let it just load. It shouldn't really take too long here. Okay, great. So it's going to look a little something like this. I know it is too yellow for me, but when an email is added to this column, you would want to select the column for it. Or if it's a different type of automation, you would want to basically go ahead and use that. And then you would want to also select the other one, which is a list. So this one here, we can just go ahead and create any, you know what, I'm just not even going to do it. But anyways, just go ahead and adjust this to your liking, and then you are basically just going to click on create automation at the bottom right. Let me see if I can just go ahead and create anything here. There you go. Create automation at the bottom right, and then you can turn it on or off, and this integration is pretty much just working. So this is how to integrate MailChimp with Monday.com. Hopefully you found this video to be informative, and thanks for watching.